So they customized this gate on my height because usually my previous houses you lagi have to like that, like this. So I just have to click, one click, then boom. Look at this. You see mga tao? So this is the outdoor area in here. It's gonna look amazing mga tao once it's all fixed. So this is here, the parts for the automation of Iron Gate. You see, we have the parts in here. This is how it comes in the box. And then once they start the installation, I'll show you guys how they install it. It's gonna be so useful for me as I have a car and it's mahirap to operate manually. So this will operate just through a remote control, I guess. So this is Iron Gate mga tao. You see, this is the tao of the Iron Gate. So we're installing the automation in here. They are doing the automation and mamaya they're gonna fix the pintura. So as you see, we have a giant gate in here. This is the after. The before is grabe mga tao. Sobra baba yung gate hanggang dito lang, hanggang yung ulo. So kahit sino pwede akyat. Ngayon, sobra taas yung gate. Not only that, but we have very nice automation in here. You see, this is the first gate and the first automation, and this is the second automation in here. This is the box they have in here. You see, so the good thing about it, they also install it nicely. They put it nicely so it opens and closes automatically. Also, pag may brownout, pwede tayo gamitin yung susi, diba? Oo. So, meron ako susi para pag may brownout,
manual.
Oo, pwede operate manual. See? Amazing. So now they are doing the pintura of the gate, mga tao, you see. We did black and gold. This is how it looks like. So black and gold. So we have two arms, one on the left side of the gate and one on the right side of the gate, but they cannot demonstrate it to us and show us how it opens and closes automatically mga tao. Pero it's very important that you can operate it manually in case of brownout, so it doesn't open or close on you, so you can do it manually and you can open it yourself. They are still not done, almost done, but I guess they are done with the automation. Pwede ako try? So ito yung remote. Para lagay ko sa ilalim ng watch ko. Pag gusto ko buksan, ganon sa So we're bringing more halaman in. You see mga tao. It will add different colors. This is like purple. You see, we have green. We have like red. It's gonna be like amazing combination in here. So I'll be showing you the wall once it's done, but for now I'll be showing you the gate. This is the most interesting part for me because the gate is everything. You know, when I'm coming from work, I don't have to go down the car, I don't have to call the yaya, I don't have to call the helper because I got it all in my keys. I just have to press one button and then it's gonna open the gate wide open. We're gonna test the gate now and see how it operates. It's just amazing work of Iron Gate. They did really great job here in my gate behind my back. You see mga tao, sobra maganda yung gate, sobra laki, and it's gold and black because I requested for gold and black. It has also two arms automation. Each side of the gate got one arm. So you see, everything is fixed. They put the box in here, Iron Gate City, and then they put the automation, one on this side and another one on this side. there's no problem for us if wala na kuryente kasi you can open it manually and you can operate it manually. So mga tao, as you see now, I'm standing in front of my gate and I don't need to go down. All I have to do is to click this button in here. You see, I have the remote control here with me. So I just have to click, one click, then boom. Look at this. You see mga tao, it's just such an amazing technology where you don't have to go down to your car. All you have to do is to carry the remote control, then it will open by itself. You don't need to bother anyone to open for you, and you go enter your garage mga tao. Ooh la la. So now mga tao, as you see, I just have to press this and let's see what's gonna happen with the gate. So mga tao, I'm very happy with my automated gate from Iron Gate City. So easy to operate, so smooth, wala na problema. I didn't face any problems since they installed it. Every day we're using it and so easy to operate. They gave me 2 copies of the remote control, it's just simple. And then they gave me manual key. So I guess this is the manual key. In case there's a brownout, kung wala na kuryente, wala na problema, we're gonna use this to open it. So they customized this gate on my height kasi usually my previous houses you lagi have to like that, like this. Like, pasok ka dito, wala problema, pasok ka. Kasha kahit si, horse kasha dito. Very good because they customized the gate on my size. And aside from that, they also asked me where I want to place the automation. So I told them I want to place it here. The reason why we place it here, not sobra taas, para when there's brownout, no kuryente, you can just get your susi and do this. Very happy and satisfied with my gate. Wala ako yaya buksan yung pinto, so ako na lang sa kotse buksan with isang click. So this is the gate from outside mga tao. I might put like living wall outside. It's already finished the gate, that's why it's very amazing. So you can imagine how the living wall will look like once it's installed in here. It's gonna look amazing. So this is the outdoor area in here. It's gonna look amazing mga tao once it's all fixed and it's cleaned up. Now it's Dumi. There's stuff, there's materials, there are other things, furnitures. But once we clear this area, it's gonna look amazing because you have very nice view, which is the halaman in there, the entire wall. Look at it mga tao. So these are the furnitures in here mga tao. They delivered finally. You see? This is my sofa in here. It's just simple, like 2 to 3 seaters. It depends kung malaki or maliit ka. Once I fix my house, pero it's still dumi. That's why I didn't fix it yet. I couldn't put it inside kasi there's still like dirty work in here. But I leave it here outside for now. Naka-plastic siya. So this is the halaman here mga tao. You see? This is the back. It looks amazing, right? It looks so nice, arranged so good. So this is gonna be the room of my dad, mga tao. Look at it. It looks amazing, right? The floor all the way going up to the lavabo, to the walls, to the shower. You see where you hang the towel. It's completo, where you put the tissue. Look at the floor here. The reason why I made it woody, para my dad, will like it. Kasi maybe my dad is not modern. It's gonna be his room, or it's gonna be a guest room while he's not here. So it's just a cute one. The door is gonna be black, and then we have aircon in here, it's covered. This is gonna be barn door, so it's gonna be sliding. That's why we made it like that. And this is the door, see? This room is not that big, but it's just sakto. For a guest room, it's sakto. It's nice because it's ground floor. That's the main reason why I decided to make my dad stay here in this room if he's gonna come, because it's gonna be really nice and the size is not that bad. You can still put cabinet in here. I'm planning to buy ready-made cabinet para hindi masakit sa ulo. We're gonna make a cabinet and all over again. So I just want it ready-made. It's just still messy and dirty because we didn't clean it. My boys in here, they're gonna clean soon. So this is the remote control. What you do, you click. Anywhere. Whoa! How about this? Oh! One click only mga tao.